Hey guys, what's up? Tyson Curtis here, and I get the privilege to share with you guys how I use contact groups to build my business. You see, most of you guys know already that the fortune's in the follow up, and when you follow up with your prospects, you better know a little bit about them when you're making that call. And so that's what contact groups are going to do for you. For example, I do several businesses online. I have a Bitcoin business, I've got a credit repair business, and I've got several others, right? I've got several capture pages for my Bitcoin. I got several capture pages for my credit repair and for my other businesses. And it would be so confusing if all my leads that came in through all those capture pages went to one folder, because when I followed up with them, I wouldn't know if they were Bitcoin, credit repair, real estate, insurance. I wouldn't know when I called them what to say because I wouldn't know where they came from. And so what the contact section is going to allow you to do is it allows you to build contact groups. So in your lead folder, let's go ahead and go over to your leads on the left hand side over here. You'll be able to create multiple tabs. So that way, when the leads come in through your capture page, it stores them in the right field so that you can follow up with them. And that's huge if you're going to be doing some big email broadcast messages out to these groups later on using this system. And so you want to start right. You want to organize all your people. For instance, if I'm doing like a Bitcoin thing, I'd organize all my people in one folder. So if I have like 1,000 or 2,000 people in my Bitcoin folder, I can email them all something relevant to what it is they're interested in. If it's credit repair, I can email them all something that's relevant to their credit repair business. And for my other businesses that I have, I can send them something relevant. So it's really important that you create multiple contact groups. So how to add these tabs to your lead area here so you can have multiple tabs. It's super easy to do. On the left hand side, you click on create a contact group. Once you select that, you can add a contact group here. Once you click that, you just give it any name that you so choose. You can name it the name of the business you're promoting, the product you're selling, whatever it is, just give it a name. Build a folder over there. And once you've built that folder, let's say, the other thing you can use it for is like if you're doing some marketing on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, some other sites out there, you could create contact groups that are labeled Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, or whatever. So that way, when you're doing your marketing in those social media areas, the capture page is connected to those areas. It lets you know that when they're putting like the Facebook contacts or the Instagram contacts or vice versa, when you do your follow-up call, you could say, hey, Tom, this is Tyson, and I'm calling you back because you filled out a form that was connected to Facebook or Instagram. Let them know that you know a little bit more about them. Just the more information you know about your people, the easier it is going to be for you to close these people. But let's just go ahead and let's just say I give myself a group here called a contact group called, let's just do one called birthday party. Let's say I wanted to create a contact group for fun and I wanted to send people to it for a big birthday party that we got going on, or maybe a big launch for your business. So we got this one called birthday party. Now, if I go over here in my leads, you guys will actually see on the left-hand side, let's go into my leads. You guys will actually see that birthday party is now labeled back here. So I can click on this little box here. There's birthday party. Now there's no leads in there right now, right? So how do we get leads into our birthday party folder? Well, what we would do is we'd go over here to our capture pages on the left-hand side, and we just select a capture page. Just go to any one of your capture pages that you have. Let's just take, I don't know, this one right here, just for fun right now. You select the capture page that you want all your birthday people to go through, right? Obviously, we'd want to create a capture page, and we have that in our later trainings on step 2 on the dashboard. But you'd want to create like a nice birthday party with some balloons capture page and fill out the form and all this stuff. But the way you connect a contact group to a capture page, it's the same across the board. Every time you do this, you just go to one of these capture pages, you click on edit, and then when you're on the edit screen, you click on basic settings, and you click on basic settings, then you just come down here and it says contact group. And you just, for instance, let's just try it out. Let's go birthday party. Boom. I set it to birthday party. And then I'll click Save Changes. And why don't we go ahead and just test this really quick. We'll view the page. And we'll just do, Doug Doug Test. All right. So we'll just go ahead and throw, probably take the number out of there. Let's see here. Don't think our form field will allow numbers for the name, so we'll go ahead and keep it like that. So hey, someone fills out the form, they click get access, it takes them to the next page, more details on the birthday party or whatever it is you're doing, whatever it is you're selling. But once this lead gets filled out, it'll actually be stored now. If I go to my leads in the system here, and go into my lead folder here, and if I go to the birthday party leads, here it is. I'll just go over here. Let's go to the birthday party ones. Look, there he is. He's right there. The lead's in there, Doug Test. And I go to actions. I can email this person directly. I can do notes and all that kind of stuff. I'll let you guys play around with this later. You can delete it. You can even transfer this this person into a different contact group later. So yeah, that pretty much covers contact group, guys. Create as many contact groups as you want. Create and set up those contact groups to your different folders. You guys are going to learn a little bit later on this step 2 down here, how to build your capture page funnel. You know, in there I'll go into more depth on how to build the capture pages, and you'll be able to use these contact groups and you'll be able to connect them. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Have fun creating contact groups. In the next tutorial that we're going to have down here, we're going to talk about autoresponder and drip campaigns. See you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.